Ali here with H&H Cycles. Today we have this beautiful 2016 Victory Gunner 106 with just under 7,000 miles on it. Beautiful condition. Brand new set of tires with less than 200 miles on it. Fresh oil change done to it. Does have California emissions. So if you are in California, this is your chance. 7,000 miles, you are all set to go get it registered in California. So this is your chance. Beautiful bike. Upgraded exhaust system. That exhaust wrap looks really nice on this thing. It's 6926 to be exact. No leaks. Clean motor. O2 sensors are bypassed. Let's hear it. Sounds good. Sounds mean. Healthy motor. Shifts as it should. 6-speed transmission. And for more details, visit us at h&hcycles.com, and thank you for watching.